Good evening, guys. Welcome to today's crypto tutorial. And today we'll be looking at how to spot or how to avoid crypto scams or crypto scammers when trading on Binance P2P. As you know, all over the crypto space, as we have the good side, we also have the bad side. And as crypto traders or those interested in crypto, it is also good for us to know how to protect ourselves from crypto scammers. And we'll be looking at Binance, which is one of the biggest crypto exchanges in the world. And we'll be looking at 4 sure ways to protect ourselves from crypto scammers, to protect ourselves, to spot them, to avoid scammers when trading P2P on Binance. Now, without wasting much time, let's get straight to it. So the first thing you want to look out for should be the verification icon. I personally, when trading P2P or when buying and selling on the P2P platform on Binance, I buy from those that are verified and I sell to those that are verified on Binance. So that is one of the ways to spot or avoid crypto scammers. So you should always try to look for those that are verified. Now you might want to ask, okay, you see now we have example of someone here, God sent. This guy is verified. So that is also one of the things you should look for. The number one thing actually, and that is what I usually do. Whenever I'm trading on Binance P2P, I try to look for those that are verified on Binance. See, we have another person, Don Ricky. So you see, try to look for, we have another one, Catalytic. So just try to look for those that are verified on Binance to either buy or sell on your P2P. Now, what is the number 2 thing you should look for to spot a scammer or to avoid or protect yourself from being scammed? The number 2 thing I would want you to look for is the number of orders and percentage completion. I'll say that again. The number of orders that they've done, or let me say the number of trades that such person have taken, and the percentage completion. Now, when looking at this, I would want you to weigh the percentage of completion more than the number of trades. So, in as much as you are looking at both the number of trades and percentage of completion, your main focus should be on your percentage of completion. Now, here's what I mean. We are on the P2P platform, and let's assume you want to buy USDT, and I want to buy, let's say, from Cypher 001. Now, it's not verified, that's one, but let's assume that, okay, I've not seen someone that's verified, but I still want to buy. That is where looking at the number of trades and percentage completion comes in. Take for example this Cypher 001. You can see that he has 11 trades and 100% completion. 100% completion. So that's why I was telling you that sometimes you have to weigh, or most times, make sure you weigh the percentage completion more than you weigh the number of trades or orders. So you can buy from someone like this. But when you are trying to buy on P2P, be careful of those that their percentage of completion is very, very low. Let's take, for example, someone that has a percentage completion of 11%. I mean, it is a dangerous game to play, buying from someone like that, or even selling from someone, or selling to someone like that. So let's make a recap. We've said we have to check for their verification badge, and in the place whereby we don't have verification and we still want to buy, we should always look out for the number of orders or trades and the percentage completion, and let us weigh the percentage completion more. Now we'll be looking at the Third thing, yes, this is a very, very important one. That is the price they are selling or buying. You have to check the price. As you know, when going, let's go back and go to the home page of Binance. When you scroll down, you can see BNB is 388.5. You can see Sol is 91.35 or 38 based on current market price. You can see AVAX, you see ADA, Atom, and FTM, for example. Now, these are their normal price. Now, let's assume that we want to buy BNB on P2P, and someone is selling BNB for us at 1,000. Let's put it that way, 1,000. Instead of the 388 that we are seeing here, you are seeing the price of 1,000. You should be very careful. You should know that that person is out to scam you. The same thing applies when selling. When selling, so it's either the price they are buying or the price they are selling at. If it is way more than the normal price, you should be very careful because you're about to deal with a scammer. Now, what is the fourth? And this is the terms and condition. It is very important to check the terms and condition. Why is that so? Binance policy is like this. When I'm about to buy um, a particular coin, let's say I'm buying USDT on P2P, let's click this cipher. Let's click this cipher. Okay, ad has been updated. Let's refresh the list. Good. We are seeing Zanjabil. We've seen the number of trades 205, and we've seen the percentage completion 88.74. That is a very, very good rating. So the next thing we would want to check is the price. We see 578. It's a normal price in naira for USDT. You see? So the next thing we want to check is the terms and condition, right? So let's click Zanjabil. Good. For you to be able to see the terms and condition, you have to click this arrow here, this place that says for the safety of your assets. Okay, a 24-hour withdrawal restriction will be imposed on the crypto purchased. But we are here to check the the terms and condition. Good. We have to check the terms and condition. So let's see the terms and condition here. Okay, it looks like Zanjabil has not put any terms and condition. Let's check out another person. Let's check this Olash20. Let's see his terms. Good. So you see this. The term says fast payments, fast release, no third party payment. Good. And as I was saying earlier, Binance policy is this. For example, I'm to buy USDT from this particular guy. After sending my money, through my local bank account, I would have to come back to Binance here and make a notification that I've transferred the money. You understand? So on the guy's side, he would also have to check. Once he has sent the money, you also confirm with Binance that, oh, I've sent the money. Then your USDT, or let me say my USDT in this case, would be transferred to me. So for cases whereby you have someone telling you that, let's say for example, you're about to buy, you send the money, and you send the money. There's high cases for scammers not sending you your USDT. But in this type of case, whereby the terms and condition really applies, is when you are about to sell. When you are selling, that is when it really applies, because in this case you are the one releasing your coin. You understand? You are the one releasing your coin. So, okay, let's take for example the terms and condition in this place. You see this guys when it says Fidelity Bank, it says I'm paying now. Kindly stay online to confirm the payment and release the assets. So you see it stamps here. You have to stay online, confirm the payment, and release the assets. For you to identify a scammer would ask you to release the assets first before he sends the money, which is not supposed to be so. So in cases whereby you see something like that, you should be very careful. And so that is all regarding the 4 ways to avoid being scammed trading P2P on Binance. We are going to say it again for the sake of remembrance. So the first one we talked about is checking for verification. Second one we talked of looking at the number of trades or orders and the percentage completion, and we also mentioned the price at which they are either selling or buying, and lastly we talked about the terms and condition. So when next you're about to trade P2P on Binance, make sure to look out for these 4 things to be sure that you are not being scammed or you are not dealing with a scammer. If you enjoyed this video, kindly recommend to someone that you know is going to be of help to. Like the video, subscribe to this channel, and most importantly turn on the post notification so when next I drop a video regarding cryptocurrency, you would be the first to be notified. And if there's something else you'd want me to mention, kindly make it known in the comment section and I'll probably do a video about that. Thank you very much for your time, and I'll see you in the next crypto tutorial.